Hey there, if you're new to our channel, I'm Anthony.
And I'm Amy.
And we are Project Fan Freedom.
And this is episode 4. Trudy's hit list.
So as you can see, the first thing we're getting done today on Trudy is new switch panels, getting them all rigged up, taking out the 2-port one. So let's see how that goes. Amy! And we have the power. Now she's all rigged up and ready to go. 10-minute job, took 2 hours. It's onto the light now, so yeah, let's get cracking. Come, Mrs. Muscles. So now we've opened up the back to leave us a little bit more storage, and so I can cut my hole through for the gas pipe.
You're good?
Yep. I've got a load more to come through. Let's pull. So far on today, we've got the switch panel done, the light done, we got the gas hose all rigged out to the back, we've got the panel at the back done, and now we're on to, let's get this done. least it's a bit brighter than the previous one up here. If you'd like to show them. Like this stupid little one here. Does nothing. Can't even see it through it. So we've upgraded it to this one. Pow! Pow pow!
So we didn't get as much as we needed to do today, but we did get some done. We managed to remove the panel in the back, so we'll take that on off. Wire up the control panels, we done that. And we wired up the lights. And we done the back to black on the bumper.
Still loads to go.
All gone.
Ta-da! Gone.
And we brute force, we just managed to remove the shelf above the shower. So we can tick that off. Thanks for watching this week's video. If you haven't seen our previous ones, go check them out now.
And don't forget to hit the thumbs up, the subscribe, and hit the bell notification button for all our future content. Thanks for watching, guys.
See you later.